So we are changing cabin. So we are changing engine air filter for a Kia Niro 2023 hybrid. So the price is $32.24. Okay. So we are replacing it. So first thing, open the hood right here. So turn off the engine. So they have 4 clips right here. So 1, 2, just press here, okay, like this. 3, see, just press backwards, okay. And 4, see, just click. So just press this way. Okay, it's open now. So we can, so it's like this. Just press. Okay. Take out this one. So it's a new one. It's an old one. So first we check. See the have base right here. So we just pull like this. And you see this one? So this part's supposed to become this way. This part, okay? So take a new one and we push here. Make sure it's fit properly and press. Press it. Make sure it's go inside. Then press it. I'll show you. I have 2 hands. So just like put this hole inside of this one. See the air is coming from here. So this way. Make sure it's fit. Make sure it's fit in the square. This hole fit in the square. Okay. Then press from here. So it will fit. See, that's it. Nice fit. It's fit here. That's it. And we change the old one. Just cover it. Put it back. See? That's it. Thank you so much. Yes, make sure it's fit properly. That's it. Thank you.